Pantene Lucky Me Beef Spare Ribs, PS Bank, Pampers at ng Olay Natural White.
There you go! Happy Boy! Pilipinas, balikan natin ang mga nausong lang dekada 60 hanggang sa kasalukuyang JJ Forma.
Because today, sasamahan tayo ng mga fashion designers and models sa pagrampa.
Isuot na ang scarf, ang hat at ang bling-bling.
Dahil dito lahat yan, pasok sa uso. Welcome to
Panahon ko to, ang game show ng buhay ko!
Alright, kasama natin ngayon ang mga fashion designers, stylists, and ramp models. Let's call them in!
Come on, guys!
Come on, guys!
Excited ako dito! Oh, first team, sila daw ang unang bobongga dahil
Uy!
sila ang team Bongacious. Say hello to Mon Favela, Seng Silhueta, and Angel Garcia.
Bongga kami! Bongga kami!
Sige lang, sige lang. Bongga kami. Okay, kampante sa kanilang fashion style at kampante ding masungkit ang jackpot. Sila ang Team Positibo. Jay Sustiger, Vernon Gonzalez at Chico Matos.
Kami mananalo! Team Positibo! Kami mananalo! Team Positibo! Umanda na kayo!
Okay, thank you. Eto, all eyes on the 100,000 peso jackpot prize. Sila ang Team Sweetie, sila Eddie Castro, Felicity Sun, at Leona Maurice Montes. Team Sweetie! Yun, oh.
1, 2, 3, go!
Sweetie, sweetie! Kami yan!
Okay!
Panalo
Short
naman,
and
panalo.
sweet. Short and sweet.
Ito, Luluboy. Panalo sa fashion and style.
Ito.
Bubuga naman kaya sila sa game show. Well, let's welcome Bong Reyes, Jackie De Vera, and Edward Banez, Team Facemakers.
Okay.
We are the Pacemaker! Go, go, go!
Oh, magpapahuli ba naman ang Team Fashionista? Say hello to Simon Vasquez, Lovo, and Raj Ramanifard. Team Fashionista!
Go, go, go! Team Fashionista! Go!
Thank you very much, team.
Go! Okay, teams. Good luck. Kapit na mga kamay natin ganito. And let's play.
Ito ang gusto ko.
All right. Guys, first quiz. First quiz natin ay isang video quiz. Category is favorite actress singer. Hit it. Team Facemakers.
Liza Minnelli.
Liza Minnelli.
Liza Minnelli! It's correct! Let's watch it!
What good is sitting alone in your room?
Go, Team Facemakers, come on.
Life is a cabaret, oh chum.
Of course, film is cabaret.
Cabaret.
Oh,
Okay,
yung
just like that,
pamaganda
Team Facemakers, may 1 point na kayo. Good luck sa inyo. Next quiz is a phrase quiz. Category natin, favorite slumbook question. Hit it!
Team Positibo.
Who and when was your first kiss?
Correct! Next quiz ay isang audio quiz. Category is favorite exercise song. Hit it! Team Facemakers.
Let me hear your body talk.
Let me hear your body talk is wrong.
Taas natin ang mga
Dito
kamay natin.
Up, dito lahat.
Other teams.
Dito mo
Other
lahat.
teams.
Up, steal.
Team Bongacious.
Let's Get Physical by Olivia Newton-John.
Let's get physical is wrong.
Taas natin ang mga
Dito
kamay
lahat ng
natin.
kamay.
Other teams. You may steal. Fashionistas.
Dito sa gitna po ang sasagot.
Loto.
Street beat.
Street beat.
Yeah.
Street beat is wrong.
Taas natin ang mga kamay. You may steal. Team Sweetie.
Physical.
Physical is correct. Let's hear it.
Audience, alam niyo to. sumobra lang ang Team Bongacious. It was physical.
And
Okay.
you knew the
singer.
singer as well.
Team Positivo, 1 point. Team Sweetie, 1 point. Facemakers, 1 point. Fashionista, Bongacious, habol. Okay, next quiz ay ang paborito namin ni Billy Boy, ay 5 Scramble Quiz. Ang category, favorite Pinoy proverb. Hit it! Team Fashionista? Yung nasa gitna po ang sasagot.
Bahay kubo.
Sorry, time is up po. Time is up.
Taas natin ang mga kamay, other teams. You may steal.
Team Facemakers.
Bahay kubo.
Time's up. Other teams. You may steal. Positibo.
Buti pa ang kwago. Mabuti pa ang bahay na bato. Ang nakatira ay tao.
Time is up po. Dito mga kamay. You may steal.
Team Fashionista.
Bahay kubo. Anin pa ang bahay kubo ko ang nakatira ay kwago.
I love it! Okay. That is wrong. As mga kamay. Sweetie.
Anhin pa ang palasyo kung ang nakatira ay kwago. Mabuti pa ang bahay kubo, ang nakatira ay tao.
You're correct! Team Sweetie, you are moving on!
Alright, next quiz ay isang video quiz. Category is favorite TV anime series.
Hit it! Team Positivo,
Daimos.
Daimos is correct! Let's watch it!
やって真っ赤に燃やせ至る心に火をつけろ倒せ力の限りお前の体を見せてやれ
Team Positivo, be happy because you are moving on! Next quiz is an audio quiz. Category natin, favorite cartoon character. Hit it!
For you, senors and señoritas, there is plenty more.
Team Fashionistas.
Speedy Gonzales.
Correct. Let's hear it.
That is Speedy Gonzales. Speedy Gonzales? Gonzales?
Speedy Gonzales, fastest mouse in all Mexico.
Okay,
That
Speedy
is
Gonzales,
not
Team
the
Fashionista,
Mexico.
1 point. Next quiz is a picture quiz. Category natin, most admired person. Hit it!
Fashionista for the win.
Mother Teresa.
Correct.
Fashionista, you are moving on!
Kompleto na ang tatlong teams na makakasama natin for the next round.
Team Facemakers, maraming salamat sa inyo. Team Bongacious, thank you very much for playing. Ang ating Hot na Hot Round susunod na dito sa Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko!
Nagulat ako kasi isang